Hello, and this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the TP-Link AC1750 Wi-Fi range extender, model RE50. So you've robust dual band Wi-Fi extension up to 1200 feet, 450 megs and 13 megs, gigabit port, and a tether app. So on the box it'll tell us that we have got access point mode, intelligent signal light indicator, multi-language, dual band backup, access control again there, and easy setup, and it'll just give us an indication on how it might work in your house. So let's check it out. So if we open up the box, we get a little booklet here, and this is all our warranties and our quick installation guide. Pop down to one side, and the router itself, and that's it. So this plugs directly into a socket like so, which is pretty handy, so you don't need an extra plug. And on the back we have one slide here for one of our antennas, and these pop up each side like so, and that's what you're looking at there. And here we have our indicator lights here for power, 5 GHz connection and 2.4, and TP-Link here, and here is our button here to get connected. So we can see one of our ports here on this side here, and we have more buttons here. We've power LED, reset key, and that's really about it. So these fold away, which is pretty neat indeed, and it's pretty simple to set up too by the looks of it. And this is generally what the package looks like. So stay tuned for a review on this coming soon at techbuzzireland.com. Any questions, don't be afraid to ask, and we will answer your questions as we always do. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next one, and thanks for watching. So that's the TP-Link AC1750 Wi-Fi range extender, RE450. We'll talk to you in the next one.